Hello folks, welcome to Lester's. Dwight in Texas. This is your Galaxy DX86 LCESUPR86V enhanced. Show you what I've done in here. I've upgraded the voltage regulator buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to a 3300 gold. Same thing with the DC input buffer filters, been upgraded to a 3300 gold. Replaced the first RF amp with a 2SC2999. Okay. Upgraded the AM filter to a 20 kilohertz wide filter. I can't get the 15s anymore. I haven't been able to find any. Not the ceramic type. And also installed the LCESUPR high cut filter. Alright. And then on the bottom, there's your CP1. Okay. And the clarifier, of course, has been unlocked. The fine unlocked. Alright. Let me put the covers back on it. We'll do some power checks. More to come. Okay. Dwight got a 50 watt slug in RMS and a 100 watt slug in peak. Multipliers on ×1. I am in AM, RF power's all the way up. Dead kid, about 18 watts. Audio, hello, audio. That is what? That's almost 90 watts PEP. Audio. Yeah, it is 90 watts PEP. That's on AM. RF power all the way up. I'm going to turn RF power all the way down. We're dead kid. That's what, 2 watts? Audio. Hello, audio. 90 watts again. Okay. RF power all the way back up. Lower slider band. RF power all the way up. I'm still on 27205. Hello, audio. So that's about 30 watts RMS and audio. About 72 PEP. Okay. RF power all the way down. Hello, audio. That's with RF power all the way down. That's a little over 20 watts, about 21, 22 RMS. Audio. Almost 60, about 58 PEP. Okay. I'm going to turn RF power all the way back up. Hello, audio. Audio 1 2. 1 2 audio. I'm still on sideband. Okay. Now, the reason this radio is so quiet is because I've installed the LCESUPR high cut filter. And it's on all the time because there's no place to put a switch on this thing. There's crap all over the sides here. So, really no place to put a switch. Not even enough room on the back there to put one where you can operate it easily. So it's just wired on all the time. And that's why you don't hear all that bacon frying in there. Why it's pretty quiet. Okay. Now let's do some receiver checks. Should be reading an S9. Oh wow, we're a lot over S9. Okay, I'll have to go in and adjust the meter. It happens to me all the time. I do it all the time. I go in and set up the meter, and then when I start doing all of my stuff, I change out that first RF amp, and then when I come back and look at it, the meter's off. So I have to go in and readjust it. But that's a good thing. That means that transistor's doing what it's supposed to. Okay? And you can't see that meter, can you? Let's see if I can. It washes it out. Hopefully that's good enough for you to see it. What about if I get right up on it? Nope, that don't make any difference. Maybe if I back up. You can see about where it's at, but I don't think you can read the scales. Well, anyway, it's It's between an S9 and a plus 10, right in that area there. But really good receiver, both on the AM and lower side. Okay. Switch that guy back out of line so I don't transmit into it. But I think we're done. Dwight, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Please stay safe.